Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeda Dezarae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this barrel twist lock style. Shake your dreads, shake your dreads, shake your dreads, ho. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. I am starting off on freshly washed hair. All products that I use will be listed on the screen and in the description box if you're interested. But let's just get into the interest though, because my hair is really growing. Stop playing with me, okay? First, I am just gonna take a dry t-shirt and just dry off any excess water that did not come off on the first t-shirt. And I'm going to moisturize my hair. I don't have a spray bottle, so we gotta get a little ghetto fabulous, okay? Pouring it in my hand, I'm going in with my Aloe Juice, and then I'm gonna follow up with my favorite oil of all time, Almond Oil. I do have a detailed video on my lock moisturization routine, so if you're interested in that, just tap that link above. But most importantly, when you're doing this step, please do not forget them ends. Them ends is screaming, girl. Don't forget them. And them edges. And just get into it. They thick, they luscious, they healthy. Just the way I like it. So now that I'm done with this step, it's time to get into the styling. So I already went on ahead and did rope twists in the back, and now I'm going to show you how to do them in the front. This is the only section in the front that will be rope twisted. The rest will be barrel twisted. So I'm going to take these two down, and I'm just going to wipe off any excess product from the washing process that didn't come off. And then I'm going to add a little bit more moisture back to the hair because it's been a little dry since I got back here. I'm going to make sure that part is crisp. Clip that other lock out the way. And then we're going to make sure that the ends are moisturized. Add your little oil on there, or you can use a leave-in conditioner, whatever you choose. And then I'm going to go in with this lock gel. This is not my go-to lock gel. I ran out of my favorite one, but we're making it do what it do, baby, until I get my go-to. All right. You want to make sure that you are twisting clockwise. So to the right, wipe off any excess product before you finish twisting, and then you're going to take any excess hair and just twist that down the shaft of the lock. That is how you get your retwist crisp. I've always self-maintained my own locks. I started my own locks, and I'm telling you, this method works, and it is the truth. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your butterfly clip and clip it the opposite way of where you twisted it. So you twisted clockwise, you're going to clip it counterclockwise and move that out the way and redo the next steps on your next lock. The difference with this lock is because it's on the perimeter of my hairline, so you got to make sure you pull out them baby hairs out of that lock, because if you try to retwist it in there, the tension is going to rip them edges out, okay? So make sure you pull them out to avoid that hair loss, okay? Because we don't need that. Once you're done with that, you're going to twist it counterclockwise. You're going to twist it once, make sure it's locked in there. Once that root is locked, you're able to just go on ahead and twist down. So you're going to retwist clockwise and rope twist counterclockwise. Once you're done with that, that rope twist is going to be on fleek. Do not play with her. You're going to take your elastic band up that end, and there you have it. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Don't play with her. Next, we're going to get into the barrel twist. I already did this first row. In this row, there are 4 locks. So first, you're going to repeat those same steps that you just did on the rope twist, basically, and make sure that second one on the right goes over that left one in the front. You're going to make sure it's nice and tight, and you're going to twist it about halfway down. Once you twist it halfway down, since the second lock went over, that third lock is going to go under. So first you want to make sure that the root is already twisted. You do this to make sure that it doesn't unravel and that it looks as crisp as possible in the barrel twist. You're going to twist that around and over. And then you're going to take that fourth lock. Since that one went under, this one is going to go over. So it's just kind of like a back and forth motion. Left, right, or under, over, whichever helps you understand it better. Once you do that, you're going to take a rubber band. I like to double it. And I'm going to go on ahead and just lock that in. And I only go around 4 times. I don't try to make it too tight because it will pull your edges. You will have a headache. We're trying to avoid that. So once you've done that step, you're just going to go on ahead and rope twist the rest of the hair that is hanging down. Now, it is optional. You can leave that out, put it in the ponytail, whatever you want to do. But me personally, I was going for the whole everything twisted type of look. So, same steps as when you did the rope twist. It got retwisted clockwise, so you're going to rope twist it counterclockwise. And then you're just going to band that up. I like to double it with an elastic band. And then you're all set, and that is how that first rope twist is looking. Get into it. Crisp on fleek. Do not play with her, okay? Now, I'm going to show you quickly and briefly how to do this next one, just because this row has 5 locks. So I want to show you guys how to do the rope twist when it is an odd number. If you're a visual learner such as myself, just get into the technique. Remember, under, over, under, over. For me, that's the easiest way to remember how to do a barrel twist. And always remember to make sure that the root is nicely retwisted and not unraveling. Once you're done with that, you're gonna elastic band it out the way and just get into it. Okay, stop playing with her. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys that you see here there's 5 locks, but usually rope twists only require 2 per rope twist. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do the 3-way rope twist. So you want to take the one on the far right, bring it all the way over to the left, and repeat the same steps. Far right, bring it all the way over to the left. Far right, bring it all the way over to the left. Once you do that, you will have a 3-way rope twist. That is the easiest way for me to remember. So far right, all the way to the left. Once you get to the little smallest lock that's in there, you're just gonna morph it in with another lock and just finish rope twisting the 2 all the way down and just band it out the way. When you release it, it might stick up and look a little crazy, but all you gotta do is just tuck that bad boy in and you straight, you Gucci, okay? And boom, get into it. It's really coming along. I know you see the vision. Stop playing with her. This is the finished side, okay? Get into it. And then this is the unfinished side, okay? Like finished, unfinished. Finished, unfinished, period. Do not play with her, all right? Next, after I am complete, we're going to get into the edges. First, I'm going in with my Styler Gel, and we just swooping them edges, okay? Make sure they really on fleek. Do not play with her. And then I'm going to seal it in with my favorite edge control of all time, just to make sure it's locked in place and looking its best, okay? And there you have it, my loves. That is how you achieve this barrel twist lock style. If you enjoyed this video and found it easy to follow, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what style you would like me to try next. All products are listed in my description box. And remember, I love you guys. Stay sexy, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Mwah!